guys, this is what we've been working on. As you can see here, we had to dig a probably about a 3.5 to the house. Then we ran all the way along the side of the had a few issues with some of these roots right here. Had using a chainsaw. But this we have a little bit of a trench right here, all the way up to the power box. And as you can see, our main power line. What we're going to do is we're just going to cut the bag hasn't fished through yet. Power vacuum, 14 gallons. Start digging up this dirt. Go ahead and fill in the my little helper right.
What's up, bro?
There you go. Hopefully we get this pulled up.